everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanu, and if you're new here, which I know most of you are, then please consider subscribing. I am very new to be doing something like this. Have been thinking about it for a very long time, but then there were like 1000 different questions going on in my head, like, is this the right time? Am I like too late to be doing this? Will I be able to manage with a job, a kid, staying with in-laws, and everything else? You probably would know by now, looking at the title of the video, what we are doing in here. We are doing a Nykaa haul. So this is something that I've got or bought from my own hard-earned money, and I bought these products last Sunday. Nykaa Super Saver Summer Sale, I think that's what it is called, start हुआ था तो मैंने खरीदा था. Okay, so I have my order list ready with me, and let's just dive in. See how naive of me. I'm sitting with my Nykaa box, but I don't have a scissor. So just give me a second. I'll quickly go run my scissor. I'll quickly go run and get my scissor. Oh, Tanu. Oh, be back. Alright, so the first thing I see is M Caffeine coffee hand cream. I think I got this free with this and this. तो मैंने इस बारी एक Naked Detox Green Tea Night Gel cream order की है. This says 50 ml and it is for all skin types. Then I've got this same Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. So this is a serum, and this is for $6.25. Why did I buy this, and that too an expensive product? First of all, I definitely didn't buy it for like $6.25. discount में लिया मैंने. But हाँ, I got this क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ एक सीरम चाहिए था. I am like in late 30s now, but I thought maybe it's time for me to start introducing a serum in my skincare routine. Yeah, so I started with this. मैंने रिव्यूज़ पढ़े, सब ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ था, तो I thought चलो let's give it a go. My style of doing makeup is very fast, very quick, using just my hands and doing my makeup. Like if you see my eyeshadow, I've just done it with my lipstick. क्योंकि अब मैं makeup channel के लिए करूँगी, and I don't want to misdirect anybody's, and I've seen everybody doing with some sort of tool, be it like brushes or be it like beauty sponges. I think that's what they're called, beauty blenders. I guess they're the same, interchangeably used. So because we are talking about beauty tools, so the first thing that I have on my hand is a brush. It's a synthetic brush, but feels very nice. And again, I have seen a lot of influencers talk about this brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush. First impression, if you will, about this brush, feels very nice, very soft, and I think it will do the job. So this, my intention of using this is, or how I'm going to be using this is, I'm going to be using it for powder, I'm going to be using it for contouring, I'm going to be using this for my blush. वैसे तो blush my fingers से कर लेती हूँ, but again I'm going to change that habit, and now I'm going to be using this. So the next brush that I've ordered is this one. This is for my eyes. So this is basically a blending brush. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but that's the intention for me to be buying this brush. This is a pack 204, and basically this is for eyes. तो मेरा तो काम चल जाने वाला है इससे for sure. And if you're also new, just like me, you know, who's thinking of investing or at least starting up a kit, एक ब्रश से ट्राई करके देखो. एक ब्रश, your fingers, and if you like, for example, if you get a eyeshadow palette and things like that, तो उसमें थोड़े बहुत brushes मिल जाते हैं. So I think काम बन जाएगा. So anyway, बनेगा कि नहीं, आप मेरे साथ जुड़े रहो तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि बनता है कि नहीं, और अगर बन रहा है तो कैसे बन रहा है, so that आप भी वो टेक्निक्स फॉलो कर सको. So again, इसमें आया है ये ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. My favorite color, that is pink. आज मैं unboxing karti hu and I'll make another video about how these perform. So this is something that I'm going to be using for my base, and I went through the reviews and everybody talked, it had like some great rave reviews, so I thought let me just give it a try. This is how it looks. Very nice, very squishy, has a pointy end, and I mean if you see, it goes and fits to the inner corners of my eyes, so I don't see a challenge as such. But agar challenge hua mere ko for it to reach my inner corners of my eyes to do my concealer and all, then I for sure, then I know that I'm going to get those small blenders that are from PAC, because I really like them. अगर मेरे हाथ में एक्सरे होता तो पता चलता कि मैंने पूरा दबा दिया, एंड कितना ये ना एकदम स्माइली बॉल जैसा फीलिंग दे रहा है, बहुत ही सही. This product, let's see what it is. Suddenly my fingers feel very ticklish. Has it ever happened with you guys that these tips, they become ticklish? मेरे साथ usually होता है. I don't remember ordering this, या किया होगा. Okay. I have ordered the Pixi retinol tonic. Along with this, I got 2 bottles of free Pixi glow tonic again. Oh, these छोटू bottles free मिले हैं इसके साथ. So let me show you that also. बाद शायद सीरम लगाते होंगे. That's what my understanding is. If you know how a serum and tonic goes together, then please put it in the comment box, because I'm still trying to wrap my head around all of these things. This is also, so I think, so this is like a chemical exfoliant. Oh, very nice. I've been meaning to try out a chemical, very nice. मेरा शाहरुख fan बाहर आ रहा है. So I've been trying to use a chemical exfoliant. This is 15 ml, तो दो free मिले हैं, तो it's basically 30 ml के product मेरे को worth free मिला है Pixi से. वो भी Pixi is, I think Pixi is considered to be as high end. I will for sure give my reviews on how that chemical exfoliant works. Chemical exfoliant again is like acid on your skin, but it's in mild quantity. So what it does is that cleans and removes all the unwanted things from your face that you don't want, for sure, like dead skin cells and things like that. You won't realize that that's what a chemical exfoliant is doing to you. Again, it's just acid, you won't know, but that's what it does. At least I'm going to try this one now. Chemical exfoliant again कई types में आते हैं. आपके face wash में आता है, आपके toner में आता है, serum में आता है, और भी ऐसे थोड़े चीज़ों में you get chemical exfoliants. I think AHA, PHA, BHA. AHA basically is supposed to act on the topmost layer of your skin. BHA basically has like lactic acid and it enters your skin and works on the the intermediate level, if that's what it's called. I don't know. I think epidermis, पता नहीं, मेरा सारा science बाहर आ रहा है इस समय. So this is 5% glycolic acid, so I think it can be a little too much, because बोलते हैं अगर if you're starting with a chemical exfoliant, so if your skin is not prepared for a chemical, basically for an acid, for any acid for that matter, so give it some time. धीरे धीरे मतलब इंट्रोड्यूस करो, एकदम से क्लास 1 को क्लास 10 का कोर्स मत पढ़ाओ, राइट. लेट योर स्किन बी रेडी एंड प्रिपेयर्ड कि ओके नाउ आई एम एक्टिव. लाइक आप वर्कआउट करने जाते हो, अगर आपको बारबेल स्क्वाट्स मारने हैं तो आप एकदम से नहीं शुरू हो जाओगे ना. पहले आपको यू हैव टू एक्टिवेट एंड एंगेज योर thigh muscles, do some normal squats, warm up, and then you get into barbell squats. So that's what the idea is, that you prepare your skin first, धीरे धीरे. Ideally तो 2.5 to 3-4% का होता chemical exfoliant तो भी चल जाता, but I think 5% है तो मैं I think हफ्ते में एक बार यूज़ करके देखूंगी, and वो भी कम quantity लगाऊंगी. Patch test तो बहुत ज़रूरी है for any product for that matter, that you do a patch test. But because this is a chemical exfoliant, this actually literally in all sense it is acid going on to my skin, but because it is in controlled matra, so it doesn't do damage basically. Since we're talking about skincare, the next product that I've ordered is a Biotique Biofruit Whitening Depigmentation tan removal face pack. This is a face pack. I love face packs. मेरे पास अभी कुछ नहीं तो 4-5 face packs पड़े हुए हैं. I love collecting face packs. पता नहीं क्यों. And I think ये Biotique में कुछ 40% off चल रहा था. कंसीलर Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. I think that's what my shade is. Online, yeah, this is a problem because you can never be sure of. But now the reason why I have ordered this concealer is to use it as a highlighter. Again, not as a highlighter per se. एक्चुअली सही शेड है, मतलब मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया और मैंने ब्लेंड किया. इफ़ यू सी यहाँ पे तो अच्छे से मिक्स हो गया. आई थिंक दिस इज़ माई राइट शेड. मैंने इसके पहले एक LA Pro Girl का कंसीलर, दैट इज़ माई फर्स्ट कंसीलर एंड आई ordered that. It works okay, but I think that's a shade that is darker for me, one shade darker. So I think I'm gonna give this a try. I deliberately wanted a lighter shade because I wanted to use it like, you know, for like the highest points of my face, for, you know, like glow from within wala concept. I'm not a big fan of like, you know, like shimmery all on my face. Like if it's something that comes from within, then that's more like me. Anyway, so I'm gonna give this a try and I'll let you know how that works. Selfie mode on. Guys, this really is looking something. I'm not kidding you guys, this is looking really very nice. Next is okay, this is again a Biotique product which is Visibly Ageless Serum. कितने सीरम ऑर्डर कर लिए हैं भाई मैंने, क्या मार के मैंने नायका से ऑर्डर किया है. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 230, बट मेरे को ये मिला है कुछ 142 में. आई थिंक इसलिए लिया होगा मैंने, जस्ट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई. दिस इज विजिबली एजलेस सीरम, विजिबली रिपेयर्स एंड रीबैलेंसेस स्किन. So that's that. Next thing is again Biotique. I think I went a little crazy with Biotique this time, but again just know that this is something that I'm currently using as my night cream. This I ordered December और मेरा ख़त्म होने को आ गया है लगभग. Wheat Germ Youthful Nourishing Night Cream and it is for dry skin. So from normal to dry skin, मेरा कभी normal हो जाता है, कभी dry हो जाता है, mostly dry की तरफ रहता है, but because अभी समझ है तो अभी मेरा normal skin है. चलो next product को करते हैं. Looks nice. Okay, this is I think ये M Caffeine के साथ मैंने M Caffeine जो मैंने खरीदा है उसके साथ ये 3 आइटम फ्री में मिले हैं. But this potli is so nice यार. I mean very nice. This is something that you all can use for I mean if you are gifting it to someone, like अगर आप एक किट जैसा बना रहे हो गिफ्ट बॉक्स टाइप, तो उसमें भी आप ऐसे you know कुछ डाल के ऐसे दे सकते हो. So nice है. I've never heard of a scalp scrub. Have you? चलो यूज़ करके देखूंगी. But I didn't know that scalp का भी scrub exist करता. Naked and Raw Coffee scalp scrub. Then this one is body scrub, which is okay, very nice. And this is face scrub. इस बार I think I clearly see like 2 categories. One is the scrub category and one is like the serum and toner category. But that's not all. I've ordered like tons and tons of different things. Oh, इधर है दो सामान that too. So this is basically a white pencil. हाँ, Wet n Wild. Oh. ढक्कन, मुझे लगा इतना बड़ा ढक्कन. So the cap is here, but this is like the plastic. तो मैंने ऐसे खोला तो निकल गया. I mean, if you see, very nice. Wow. ये मैंने किया था इनर कॉर्नर्स के लिए. लुकिंग गुड. मैं एक और चीज़ ट्राई करना देती हूँ. Looks nice. It's very soft actually. I mean, just with one swipe, if you see, a lot of product is coming out, And then the next eye pencil that I've ordered is in color ka intense long wear eye pencil in the color sea green. Again, people who know me, who I've been friends with like for a very long time, know that if one thing that I'm crazy about in the entire face or makeup category are my eyes. So anyway, and the colorful eye pencils that I once had a craze for. So बीच में मेरे अभी last I think 10 years 7-8 years मैंने इतना कुछ किया नहीं है I crave colorful eye makeup, but I think I'm gonna start doing it again. So this is what it looks like. It looks nice actually. This is something I got for like 47-57 rupees. I mean, I just wanted to just try it out for the sake of, मतलब यार 40-57 क्या होता है? Yeah, that's it guys. Looks like it. So because मेरे सारे products अभी तक नहीं आए हैं, so means that I am going to be making a part 2 of this. यार बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं किया है, मतलब 2 ब्रश ऑर्डर किए हैं और एक ब्लेंडर ऑर्डर किया है, और तो ऐसा कुछ मेकअप नहीं। हाँ, एक कंसीलर किया है. दिस समथिंग लाइक I just had one concealer like Pro Conceal. Not that you should have like 10, but I wanted to give this a try because everybody was talking about like Fit Me, and I wanted to give it a try. And also क्योंकि घर में ही बैठे हैं तो I can at least brush up my skills, if you will, and you should try doing that as well. Because मान लो कोई important event में जाना, फिर मैं first time निकालूँ और पता चला oh my god it has turned out to be a disaster, उससे तो अच्छा है कि यार अभी कर कुरा के practice कर लो. Trust me you guys, I actually this was not the first video I planned on shooting. I shot another video, did a like good tried to do like a makeup video, but then it didn't turn out to be that good. So I'm just saying कि करते करते practice आता है. और for me to have gotten this look, first of all I did it like in not more than 10 minutes without any tools. And like I said, क्योंकि मैं बहुत lazy हूँ, तो like जैसे मेरे को क्या बोलते हैं ब्लश लगाना होता है, तो मैं कोई भी लिपस्टिक उठा के लगा लेती हूँ. मोस्टली अगर मैं लिप्स में जो लगा रही हूँ वही मैंने गाल में लगा लिए होते हैं, वही मैंने आईज पे लगा लिए होते हैं, और मैंने फिंगर से ब्लेंड कर लेती हूँ मैं. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई यूजुअली डू, हैव बीन डूइंग, अनलेस मैं शादी वादी में जा रही हूँ या दुर्गा पूजा में जा रही हूँ, तब मैं थोड़ा एफर्ट मार लेती हूँ. बट देन ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि हाउ मच टाइम आई हैव इन माई हैंड एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. Very soon I'm gonna meet you guys in my next video. Most likely that's going to be a part 2 of my Nykaa haul. Anyway, tata, bye bye. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I keep on putting some reels here and there. Trying to get comfortable. I think I'm getting comfortable. My first ever video, you guys. Please show your love on this video. Subscribe, like. Yeah, that's all. Bye, take care, stay safe, stay indoors, and yeah, just don't go out. It's crazy out there. Bye.